All right, what's going on, y'all? It's the pre-market prep for March 22nd, 2024. Um, Probably gonna be a light day today. Only announcements we got coming out. That's how I start my prep off with whatever announcements coming out for the day. And the only red flag event is Jerome Powell speaks at 8, and that already happened. So we got a little surge from that in the price action. But other than that, that's really it. So everything else will just be technical. But we do got something coming out at 11. I don't know how much that'll move the market, but I probably will be done today about about 12. So I ain't gonna stick around too long. If I don't see anything, I ain't gonna force it. It's gonna have to jump out at me. But anyways, let's get straight into it. So with the S&P on my daily, I got us in stage two. We just made shooting star with light volume. So that's a distribution candle, but I'm not too worried about it, or it's not too alarming because let's see, um, it's my Thinkorswim platform. So the S&P, boom, on the daily chart, we're clearly in the uptrend, and we just made that shooting star candle, but volume was kind of light, so we may peak down and then rally. Who knows? I'm gonna just trade the trend when I see it. The hourly chart. You see what's going on the hourly chart. Uh, yeah, so the hourly chart, we in stage two as well. Boom, this my hourly. We broke out a three, made this impulse wave up. Now we testing the 50, making like a little pennant. So if we get some support right here on the 50, I'd be looking for buys if we can get above that 8. And that's pretty much it. Same thing in the NASDAQ. Boom, we made that stage two impulse wave up. We just made that shooting star. Boom, now we testing that 50 on the higher time frame. If we can't get above this 50, this may end up turning into a stage three base breakdown on the hourly chart. So we can definitely be looking for that. You see this big down candle, now we testing this base. So that may be a bearish sign for the NASDAQ. And we in stage three, we not even in stage two. We made this little false breakout, then we came right in here and started to sell off. So I may be getting some sales today in the NASDAQ. We'll see on the 10-minute chart. Um, hold on the 10-minute chart, we definitely are in stage four, but I won't do all that right now. I'm just kind of going over the higher time frames. Let's see what's going on in the Russell. Russell just made an impulse move up, so I'm very bullish on the Russell, but I still got to see price action confirm what I'm thinking. 1 hour chart, Russell is in the trading range on the 1 hour chart. We were in stage three, so if you look right here, boom, we were in stage three, broke down, tried to go in the four, instantly reclaimed that. So that's a we reclaimed the range, so that's a bullish signal to me. So if we trade down to this 50, down around 21.10, I'm gonna look for some upside reversals, especially if we get back above 33. So that's that in the Russell. And last but not least, crude oil. So crude, I got us in stage two. We went into this range right here, broke out, made this pivot below the 8, then boom, made this impulse move up. It's probably like a Fibonacci level or something like that. We also testing this 8. We just made a tweezer. Um, you call this probably a tweezer top candle or a tweezer bottom because we did have this distribution candle, but volume was a little light, so it's not too concerning. But for the most part, I'm just gonna wait on a breakout in crude. So if I minimize this my crude oil chart on the 1 hour. This the 1 hour. We went into stage three, and we probably got some bullish divergence right there on these two lows. Let's see real quick. And all this is just a bunch of detective work and investigating and waiting. Whole lot of waiting. All right, so boom, check this out. From this low right here, from here to here, you got a down move, but on MACD, you got that point up. So boom, man, we got the buy signal because we broke above this highest point in the divergence. So we definitely got a buy signal. So I'm gonna be looking for some rallies in crude if the indices are bearish. If not, then we may still break down. But if we get above 82 in crude oil, I'm gonna be looking for some longs. And that's my plan. Everything I just went over, I typed that out. Boom. And my focus for the day, as you can see, is we only waiting on A plus setups. Yesterday, um, didn't have I had a green day, but gave away a lot of profits in the beginning only because I was trying to take a setup that I haven't really honed my skills on. So today the focus is gonna be strictly on just waiting on A plus setups that I know and yeah, jumping on those when I see them. So maybe a light day today. If not, I'm gonna upload them trades if I do take them. So y'all stay tuned in with me, and that's the market prep for today.